Hi, my name is Jesus Carlos Sandoval Valdez, and I'm going to talk about how I see myself in 6 years. When I was a child, I always wanted to be a doctor, but then my parents told me being a doctor implies too much time and hard work, and then they told me you need to think more about it. It's very soon for you to choose a career. And then I start thinking about it, all the time I will use and all the hard work, and then I said, well, this career is not for me. I see myself in 6 years ending my career of actuary. It may be a hard career, but I really want to end that career because they are high demanded and there are just a few people that end that career, so they get well paid. I also see myself in a apartment, saving money to buy a house, just a house to live myself, and also saving money after the house to buy a car so I can go wherever I want without telling someone to give me a ride to a place. And I also see myself after having the house and the car, having a good job or many, because an actuary doesn't have a specific job. Like he works for a company, like he can work for too many companies, 2 or 3 or too much, and they can get high pay. After that, after I have money, house and a car, I really think I can have a relation, like a relation I can stand, I can pay, and go out and all that kind of stuff. And I also see myself with my brother because I'm really close to my brother because we like too many things, and he's like just 1 year more than me. And we also have some friends that we go out to dinner or something like that. I still see like us, the friends and my brother going out to the cinema for dinner. And to conclude, I think this is a good plan of life, but in case it doesn't work or I choose another career, I guess I would choose a program.